The old man hurt his back picking something up. The man hurt his wrist playing tennis. The woman hurt her finger chopping the tomato. The jogger hurt her ankle when she was jogging along the road. The cyclist hurt his leg falling off the bike. The old woman hurt her hand when she fell down. The seagull hurt itself when it banged into the window. The woman hurt her head in a car accident when she was younger. The construction worker hurt his head when something fell on top of him. The woman hurt her arm falling off the ladder. The man hurt his hand hammering a nail. The boy hurt his knee falling off his skateboard. The man hurt his knee when he slipped on the ground. The female skier hurt her neck when she crashed skiing down the mountain. The man hurt himself falling off his chair. The woman hurt her leg in a car crash. The woman hurt her neck when she went horse riding. The man hurt his head falling down the stairs.